Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to find privacy policy on Capcut. So every application must have this privacy and policy, and for Capcut itself it's just over here. So you just need to open the Capcut application, and whenever you open it you just need to go into the settings, which is in this part here. There will be like two sections, this question and this hexagonal symbols, and then you just need to go click this part, and after that you just need to like scrolling down, and this privacy and policy is over here, and then you just need to go click it to check this privacy and policy of the Capcut. You can just read everything on your screen here to understanding about the Capcut application itself. So that's the way how to find this privacy and policy on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.